video, I'm going to show you how you can access Microsoft Insider to access pre-release software version of Excel. So here I am on my home tab, and let's go up to my search bar here. And I have already typed in Microsoft 365 Insider. Now this is only going to work if you're on Microsoft Insider. Now if you click on this, then it's going to sign me up for new release apps, and I'm selecting the beta channel. The beta channel it's the first release. It's not it's pre-release software version. It's not as stable as the other. The other one that you can read is a more stable one that's current channel. Now, if you're on a network, like for example, a large business or university or something, you're not going to be able to reach the beta channel. But if you're a personal or a small business, you should be able to reach the beta channel. So after you select that and agree to all the terms and say, okay, I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it, it will download the software. Now, it tells you that you need to restart your applications. And I tried doing that, but basically what you need to do is restart your computer before it works. So here's me trying to, before it worked, I was trying to work on the import CSV, which is new. And so here I've done it twice, and it comes up with name. And so that just means that the software hasn't been got going yet, type thing. And so what I've done is I restarted my computer, and then, so let's go bring up a new sheet, and this is after I restarted my computer. So I go equals import CSV, and here it comes up. We're excited now. And so we have an opening bracket. And so what I've done is I have a file a CSV file that I would like to import. And so I'm going to right click on this and select copy path, or copy as path. And so there we go. And then I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to go paste, and it gives paste everything. And so then I'm going to close the bracket, and I'm going to press enter, and it takes a minute, and there you go. You've accessed the new import CSV file that you wanted to do. So that's how you can access everything. You can tell when you go to the on the file and the account that you have accessed, that you have this version. So just a second, and I will show you. So I've gone to file and account, and there you can see that Microsoft Insider, you've signed up for the beta channel, and it'll be updated approximately once a week. So that's how you access the Microsoft Access to get the new products as they come out. Please subscribe.